Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for other adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the accrued expense example and format. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin the lesson material. The concept of accrued expense is based on the matching principle. Should see first, what is matching principle? The matching principle stated that the amount transferred to the profit and loss account should represent the expense for the accounting period covered by that account. This means that any amount due but unpaid at the end of the financial year must be added to the amount paid and the total expense relating to the accounting period transferred to the P&L. Let's move to the next slide. In this working example, we will understand the recording entries for accrued account. Salman started a business on the 1st of April 2007. He receives an invoice for telephone expenses quarterly in arrears. During the year ended the 31st of March 2008, his payments for expenses included the following. 2007, the 30th of June, telephone expenses paid in cash, $44. The 4th of October, telephone expenses paid by credit transfer, $56. 2008, the 3rd of January, telephone expenses paid by credit transfer, $62. An invoice for telephone expenses for $59 was received on the 31st of March 2008. This was for telephone expenses up to the end of March, but was not paid until the 5th of April 2008. Let's move to the requirements. Requirements are as follows: A. Write up the telephone expenses account in Salman's nominal ledger for the year ended the 31st of March 2008. B. Prepare a relevant extract from Salman's income statement for the year ended the 31st of March 2008. C. Prepare a relevant extract from Salman's statement of financial position at the 31st of March 2008. Let's see the solution. As per requirement A, we will prepare an accrued telephone expense account. The first entry would be made by cash $44, the second entry, by bank $56, third entry, by bank $62. Now put the carried down value of $59, this amount should reflect in balance sheet. The total of $221 appeared as a total on the debit side. On the credit side, at the year end the value of $221 is transferred to the profit and loss account. In this way, account is balanced now. The next year a balance of $59 should be recorded as a brought forward value. Let's move to the next solution. In requirement B, we will prepare the extract from the profit and loss account for the year ended March 31, 2008. The value of $221 should place under the gross profit within the expense section as telephone expense. This value transferred from accrued telephone account. Let's move to the next solution. In requirement C, we will prepare the extract from the balance sheet as on March 31, 2008. The value of $59 should place under the current liability section as telephone expense payable. This value transferred from accrued telephone account. Let's move to the next slide. In the accrued expense format, the brought down value indicates the opening balance. The carried down value should transfer in the balance sheet as a liability and at the year-end value should transfer in the profit and loss account. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the accrued expense account and related format as per examination point of view. If you have any questions regarding the discussion, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.